everybody, it's your girl Kim and I'm back again with another video. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that's watching all of my videos, no matter what your girl put out, vlogs, reviews, walkthroughs, hauls, whatever you watching. Shout out to you, because you are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. So this is going to be a review on this iced dragon fruit tea candle. Amazing, amazing. At first, when I first bought this candle, I didn't think I was gonna like it. That's the reason why I only bought one, but your girl did go back to the store and grab another one. Plus I ordered two. They haven't came yet, but I ordered two, so I have a total of 4 of these candles. Love it, love it, love it. I don't have anything in my collection like this candle, and I really like it. The scent notes is dragon fruit, green tea, lemonade, coconut milk. And as you do see, I showed this in my other video, the scent notes is different on the front versus the bottom, but I absolutely love this candle. It's amazing. I didn't, like I said, to be real honest, I did not think that I was gonna like this candle at all because of that tea note. I don't know how to describe it, but that tea note be really strong, be a very strong note, and I don't really like it. I really don't. So with this candle, it's not that heavy, strong tea note. At first, when I first smelled it, when I hauled it, I thought it smelled like grapefruit, but this candle do not smell nothing like grapefruit, because you best believe when your girl got home, I pulled out one of my grapefruit candles and it smells nothing like grapefruit. It most definitely smelled tropical to me. I do get the creaminess in it, and I think that creaminess is coming from the coconut milk. It's just a very unique scented candle. I personally don't know what dragon fruit smell like, but it is more of a tropical type of scent for me. As far as the green tea lemonade, of course y'all know your girl love Starbucks matcha lemonade, or lemonade with matcha. I absolutely love it. That's my go-to drink when I go to Starbucks. It's gonna always be a matcha lemonade, always. So do I smell lemonade in this candle? I do smell it a little bit. It give it that almost like a slight tang. It is a slight tang when you smell it, but it's not like a really sour, bitter type of lemonade in here. Because I think mixed with the dragon fruit and the lemonade, I think that's what kind of make it very fruity like. Don't get the green tea part at all. At all. I don't smell, because matcha, which is green tea, is just grind up green tea. Matcha comes off as more of a earthy, or earthy is the best word for it. It's a very unique flavor, and I personally like it, but there's a lot of people that don't like matcha. I don't smell that in here. I don't get that deep earthy matcha like scent at all. I just get the fruit, the lemonade, and then the creaminess from the coconut. That's what I get, and that's the best way that I could describe this candle, because I really don't know exactly what dragon fruit smell like. I had dragon fruit maybe one time, I believe. Yeah, I think I had it only once, so I can't claim to know what it smelled like because I've only had it one time. As far as the throw on this candle, the throw for me was more of a medium throw. I had 2 of these candles going together, one on the warmer and one was lit. truly enjoyed this candle to the point where I burned this candle 3 days in a row, and I don't normally do that. Only time I burn a candle 3 days in a row is if I truly love it, or if I'm really enjoying the candle. And for me to burn this candle 3 days in a row tells me that I really like it. This is actually one of my new ones. The one that I was burning is actually like at the halfway point. So for me, this is a yes. This is a backup worthy candle for me. I don't know if I'm going to hoard this candle. I don't know. But it is backup worthy, as y'all do see. I got 4. As far as the packaging, as you see, it's in this rose colored pink, or mauve, maybe mauve pink, maybe, I don't know. But yes, it's in this color, the matte jar. One thing I must say about this candle, I didn't have any issues with it pulling out, but with these matte jars, you have to be careful with these matte jars, because these matte jars burn hot. You have to trim your wicks. If you don't, the candle is burning hot. You're gonna get mushrooms on the wicks. So what I did, every couple of hours, I trimmed the wicks and then let the candle cool down, and then I relit the candle, and I had to do that a lot. That was the only downside of this candle. I got tired of blowing it out, trimming the wicks, letting it cool down, and then relighting it. That was my only issue with this candle. But because I enjoy it so much, whatever. So yeah, those was the only thing. I just want to make sure y'all know to please make sure you trim your wick. This candle burns hot, high flames, so you have to be on that, or you're gonna get a lot of soot. That's just, I'm just saying, you know, I mean, you do what you want to do with your candle. I'm just saying, it burns hot, you're gonna get soot, you have to trim your wicks. So, and they do have this slim lid on it. You know, the core collection has the new lids as well as the new label. So yeah, and of course, you know, the new core collection comes with the new price, the $25.50 price, as you do see on the label. $25.50 all day long. But I did get this when they had the sale, the 10 off sale. So 10 off, $15.50. So yeah, that's all I gotta say about this candle. I truly do enjoy it. So leave in the comments, let me know, what do you think about this candle? Have you got your hands on this candle? Is this backup worthy for you, or hoard worthy for you? Leave that in the comments. Also, I'm kind of curious, does this candle smell like anything else that Bath and Body Works has released? I don't know. I don't have anything in my collection that's similar to this candle that I could think of. But leave in a comment, let me know if there's another candle that's kind of sort of like this. I don't know. So leave that in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments, hit the notification bell, and follow your girl on Instagram. Do all those things for me, because we are truly trying to grow over here, and I need your help in order to grow. So please, if you are not subscribed, look down at that button. If the button is red, that means you are not subscribed. I need you to turn that red button gray. So yes, please subscribe, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm trying to block the sun, y'all. That's why I'm like this. I'm trying to block the sun, because if I don't, then yeah, you can't really see me good. So guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.